In this video, I'm going to discuss with you how you can earn money by sharing your passion, your knowledge with others. This is the easiest method that I have found to earn money online. So today I will show you a step-by-step guide, and I will show you the roadmap that you should follow to earn this kind of money. First of all, I will show you few screenshots from my newsletters. You can see here I'm earning thousands of dollars with my newsletter. Currently I have 7 newsletters on 7 different niches. These are only 4 newsletters here. You can see I'm earning thousands of dollars. These 4 newsletters are fairly new newsletters that I have created few months back. So you can see the potential of this. This is a very simple method. I will show you everything, the roadmap, what you should follow to earn this kind of money. And most important thing is you don't need any specific knowledge to earn this kind of money. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. You just need a laptop and an internet connection to earn this kind of money. And you can earn sharing your knowledge, your passion, about anything. For this example, and imagine you have some knowledge about dogs and you like to talk about dogs. This can be anything. For this example, I'm talking about dogs. Then if you like cats, you can talk about cats or any animal. This is called the pet niche, right? This is about pet. Or if you like to talk about finance, you can talk about finance, or maybe earning money online, or maybe about cryptocurrency, or maybe about politics, or you can talk about environment or the space, the universe, anything, right? Anything you are interested in, anything you have some knowledge, and any fashion or any hobby. Maybe you like cycling or any fashion you like, maybe you like drawing, painting or drawing. Like that, you can select anything that you like to talk and you have some knowledge, and most importantly you should have an interest on that topic, because you should create some contents and you should write newsletters on that specific topic. So if you have the interest on that topic, it is very easy. Okay, now you have selected your niche. This is called niche, right? Or your passion, or your specific thing that you are interested in. Then the next step is you should create content around this topic. For this example, you should create content around dogs. You can create a Facebook page. You can create a YouTube channel and Instagram theme page and Pinterest account, then TikTok account. You can create post and you can create also video contents, maybe shorts videos and maybe long form video. Instagram theme page is very important. You should have Instagram theme page and TikTok account in any niche. This is very important to drive traffic with short time duration. Of course, for Pinterest and YouTube and for Facebook, it takes some time to develop the audience. So what we are doing now, we are creating content on social platforms and we are creating an audience on our specific niche. So why we are creating an audience? We need eyeballs on our landing page. We need visitors to our landing page. This landing page, we are creating a landing page to what? To collect emails. Okay, so we create contents on these social media platform: Facebook page, YouTube channel, Instagram theme page, Pinterest account, and a TikTok account. From these social media pages or from this audience, we are getting leads or we are getting clicks to our landing page. So this is called the organic method. In this video, I'm talking only about organic method. Of course, this will take some time, few weeks to few months. You should have the patience to wait few months before seeing your result. Of course, you don't need massive following. Even around 1,000 followers from all these social platforms is enough to create a sustainable business. From this 1,000 audience, or from this 1,000 subscribers, from this 1,000 eyeballs, imagine only you collect 200 emails. From that 200 email, you can create thousands of dollars, right? I will show you in the future how to do that, right? I will show you everything, right? Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, now we are creating organic content and we are getting organic audience. We are building an audience and we drive that audience to our landing page here. Okay, on that landing page, we have call to action. We can create a freebie like ebook, right? Ebook or any other offer, maybe a specific video or something like that. Then the audience should give their email. They should enter their email to get this freebie or this free ebook or something like that. This is called lead magnet, right? This is called lead magnet. So we are creating a lead magnet on this landing page and we are collecting their emails for the exchange of this lead magnet. Okay, now we have the email list. So from that email list, we are going to make money. So how we are going to make money? There are several ways that we can earn money from our email list. The simplest method is creating an email newsletter. Email newsletter. For this, we can use beehiiv platform. On beehiiv platform, we are creating a free newsletter. From that newsletter, there are several ways we can earn thousands of dollars. So if you don't have a beehiiv account, I have a link in the description. You can create a free account and you can start your newsletter journey on beehiiv platform. Now, how we can earn money from our newsletter? First, most simple one is when you use beehiiv platform, you can get paid from advertisers and you can get paid from Boost, right? From advertising and from Boost. These screenshots are from Boost and advertising. These are from advertising here. This one is from Boost, right? This one is from Boost. These are from advertising campaign. I will show you in the future how to earn from Boost and from advertising. Okay, that's the first way, from advertising and from Boost. Next, you can promote your own product on your newsletter, right? It can be an ebook or any other digital product, or it can be a physical product. Then you can promote others' product. This is called affiliate marketing. You can promote others' product and when they get a sale, you get a commission. It can be from 10% to up to 90%. If it is a digital product, you can get a commission up to 90%. Then you can offer a service. This is very important. For this example, let's imagine you are creating a newsletter on dogs. Then you can offer a service for your subscribers. What is the service? You can offer dog training course. Dog training, maybe coaching session or something like that. How to train your dog in 1 month, like that. You can make an offer how to train your dog in 1 month, like that, and then you can create a course around that and you can sell that course. This is the life-changing option, right? This is the life-changing one. All other things are just pocket money, right? These are pocket money, right? But if you develop this one, right, this coaching or offering a service or offering maybe we can call it your own digital product like a online course or something like that, it can create your generational wealth. Now you have a broad idea how you can earn money from your newsletter and how you can convert your fashion into a newsletter and earn money. This can be any niche, right? For example, you can create a newsletter on cryptocurrency. You can build an audience about cryptocurrency on this platform, right? Maybe on YouTube, you can create free tutorials about cryptocurrency. You can compare two cryptocurrencies, maybe Bitcoin versus Ethereum, Bitcoin versus Litecoin, like that. Then if you have the technical knowledge, you can talk about technical stuff. And you can create free tutorials about technical analysis on YouTube, and you can create an audience. You can build an audience. Then from that audience, you can drive traffic to a landing page and collect emails, then create the newsletter. Then from that newsletter, you can earn money from advertising, from boost, from your own product, or from affiliate products, or offering a service like that. This is a very simple method. This is a very simple roadmap. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world if you have a laptop and an internet connection. So, if you want to learn more, if you want to earn thousands of dollars like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if this video was helpful, please click the like button and comment your niche on the comment section. Then I will create the roadmap. I will show you how to create the landing page, the newsletter, and how to create organic contents relevant to that niche. So type your niche on the comment section. Let's discuss about your niche in next video. Until next time, bye bye.